Thanks, Nate. All right, so new exercise today, 1.10, we're doing conversion of rates. Now what that means is we will often be given a rate like this one, 3 litres a day, and we want it converted to something that's much more useful, something that's more meaningful perhaps, or we need to get things on the same scale so that we can compare them. So the way we do this, or the way I recommend that you do this, is you look at a straight conversion from one to the other to begin with. So here we're being asked to convert 3 litres a day to millilitres per hour. So the first thing I'm going to ask is how many millilitres are in 3 litres? And we know that there's 1,000 millilitres in a litre, so that would be 3,000 millilitres a day that we're going to convert to millilitres per hour. So we've done the millilitres bit on the left-hand side. The next thing we've got to look at is hours to day. Okay, so if it's 3 litres in a day, how many hours are there in a day? And we know that there are 24. So if you can do 3,000 millilitres in a day, how many millilitres are you going to do in an hour? Well, you would divide that by 24. So 3,000 millilitres over 24 equals, can someone...
125.
What was it, sorry?
125.
125? Yep. So that's 125 millilitres per hour. Okay, let's try it again with metres per second to kilometres per hour. So here, the first conversion we're going to do is from metres to kilometres. We know that there are 1,000 metres in a kilometre. So in going from metres to kilometres, we need to divide by 1,000. So that would be 0.00123,978 kilometres in a second, which we need to convert to kilometres an hour. So the next step is to work out what's the conversion rate from hours to seconds. So does anyone know how many seconds there are in an hour?
36,000.
3,600. 3,600. How do we get there? It's because we know that there are 60 minutes in an hour and that there are 60 seconds in a minute. So it's 60 times 60. So 3,600. So in this case, if you're going at that rate of kilometres per second and you want to find out the rate of kilometres per hour, here we're going to multiply it by 3,600. Yep, 3,600. Anyone quick on the calculator?
35.208.
So that's 35.208 kilometres an hour. Okay.